Hey guys, I have a short video here today to help you with part 1 and 2 of your diet analysis. If you go to assignments in Canvas and you open up part 1, you can download this document. It's for your 3-day food record, and I provide a lot of tips to help you create a really accurate food log. And so if you read through that on your own, you'll get to the 3rd page, and I've provided a sample of the format that I want you guys to use. Now notice that I will give you 5 points of extra credit if you provide me with your motivation code using this table, and you'll use the appropriate letters, and then your mental and emotional states before and then after eating. And once you log all of your food, beverages, and exercise, what you're going to do is go into Canvas. Go ahead and log into the McGraw-Hill homepage. And if you scroll down on the right-hand side, click on this icon here that says Diet Analysis Tool. It will bring you to a page that looks like this. So first thing you need to do is to create yourself your own personal profile. So I've created a little sample one here, and you're going to enter in your height, weight, age, gender. If you want to lose or gain weight, you can write that here. Please don't select that you want to gain or lose more than a pound in a week, because it really just throws off your recommendations, and I don't think it provides you with a very good guide for what you should be doing on a daily basis. And then I've provided, if you enter in your activity level, it'll give you a description of what each of those different levels will mean. So once you do that, make sure you save it. Next thing you would do is go into intake, and this is where you're going to enter in all of the food that you recorded. So make sure you click on the correct date. So let's say you started Monday, and then you're going to begin by searching for foods. So let's say you ate a chicken breast, did not contain the skin, and you were able to figure out that, first click add, you figured out that you ate about 5 ounces, which is about 1.5 decks of cards. And on your food log sheet, I did give you a bunch of pointers for helping to determine how big your portion size is. So make sure you select the correct meal, click save, and you're going to do that over and over. And if you find that there's a food that you ate that is not coming up on the home page, you can do one of two things. You can either create a recipe, or you can try to find something that is similar to your product. So for example, a lot of my students do a protein powder. Let's say it's from Whey. Let's check out what they have. Even if it's not the same brand, you usually can find something that's similar. So if you look at the label for your protein powder, and it's relatively the same for this serving size is a scoop, which is 25 grams. It has roughly 17 grams of protein, and you look at yours and it says maybe 18 grams and 5 grams of carbs. That's pretty similar, and so you could select that and use that for your product. Once you've finished entering in all your intakes, you're going to head over to activities and enter in any exercise that you did for those 3 days. Make sure you select the correct date, and then make sure you separate each date. I've had students enter in all of their food for all 3 days on one date only, and it really threw off their information. So make sure you are changing the dates every time you go to a new day. Lastly, you're going to head to reports, and I ask that you select all daily reports, and that'll download basically everything. And you're going to select all 3 days that you entered in information. So this was information I had previously entered. So you would select those dates. You can either choose PDF or Excel. I can open either of those. And then what I would do is view your report. And then once it opens up your PDF, you can download it to your computer and then submit your PDF. Once you've generated that PDF, you're going to go into part 2. So this provides all of the information I just went over. But you have about, let's see, 15 questions to answer for points in part 2. So it's going to take you a while, which is why I wanted you to start earlier this week. Don't wait till Sunday. Make sure you have already started recording your food, definitely by today at the latest. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know.